way to the Feast of San Gennaro in Little Italy, New York. This food festival celebrates Italian food with thousands of people and great entertainment. Scent of smoky sausage rolls, mouth-watering meatballs in all types of sauces, and deep fried dough fills the air. Riri's velvet cake was a hit, but Philly's cheesesteak, they had a line about a mile long. Other popular stalls had sausage and pepper sandwiches and meat-filled Italian egg rolls. Was there anything here for a vegetarian? Brightly colored glasses were the order of the day, serving up alcoholic and non-alcoholic cocktails. I chose the horchata made from almond nuts. This was so delicious. I then tried the ever popular cannoli, which is fried pastry dough stuffed with a sweet, creamy cheese filling. My first impression, this was sweet and addictive. Then there was the pasta bowl, and this was filled with cheese, and more cheese. Both tourists and locals alike enjoyed this epic street fair. Little Italy's food festival was a hit. After all of the Italian food, we went over to the amusement park where we got a chance to win some stuffed animals with some games. Then we went over to the Ferris wheel, get your excitement going, where we got a chance to ride the Ferris wheel. And then there was something for the children. They got a chance to spin around in a gigantic teacup. If you're in Brooklyn in September, be sure to enjoy the Feast of San Gennaro.